Far too many people these days struggle with unhealthy eating habits, rushed mornings, and skipping proper nutrition without even realizing how much of it comes down to inconvenience. Making smoothies, protein shakes, or quick healthy meals often feels like too much work when you're busy, tired, or constantly on the move. But upgrading to the right personal blender can completely change your daily routine in ways you didn't even expect. The best personal blenders today go far beyond simple blending. They crush ice, handle frozen fruits, prep sauces, and even replace bulky kitchen appliances. And we've researched the best options ready and waiting for you. But before we get started, make sure to use the links in the description because they'll take you to the latest discounts on every product we talk about, while also supporting the channel at no extra cost to you. Let's get started. We're kicking things off with a compact classic that delivers serious performance for everyday use: the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. This blender proves that small size doesn't mean weak power. With a 700-watt motor, it easily handles frozen fruits, ice, and tough ingredients that cheaper blenders struggle with. It comes with two 16-ounce cups and spout lids, making it perfect for smoothies you can take straight out the door. Whether you're prepping breakfast, post-workout shakes, or quick sauces, the Ninja Fit keeps things fast and simple. The durable design and reliable motor make it a favorite for people who want strong performance without taking up much counter space. For anyone starting their healthy routine or upgrading from an underpowered blender, this is a smart and dependable choice. Next up is a name almost everyone recognizes: the Magic Bullet Blender 11-piece set. This blender focuses on simplicity and versatility, making it ideal for beginners and everyday home use. Powered by a high-torque, 250-watt motor, the Magic Bullet chops, mixes, blends, whips, and grinds with ease. It comes with a tall cup, short cup, party mug, multiple lids, and even a recipe guide to get you started right away. From smoothies and omelets to dips and sauces, this blender handles quick jobs without fuss. The high-impact plastic cups are lightweight and durable, and the simple push and twist operation makes it incredibly easy to use. If you want a budget-friendly, no-learning curve blender that still gets the job done, the Magic Bullet remains a trusted option. Stepping into true portability, the Ninja BC151NV Blast. Portable blender changes the game for people on the move. This cordless blender features an 18-ounce vessel and runs on a USB-C rechargeable battery, meaning you can blend anywhere without needing a power outlet. Whether you're at the gym, in the office, or traveling, this blender keeps your routine intact. The leak-proof lid with sip spout makes it easy to blend and drink from the same container, while BPA-free materials ensure safety. Dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup effortless. And despite its portable design, it still delivers impressive blending power for smoothies and shakes. This is a perfect fit for busy lifestyles where convenience matters just as much as performance. Moving up to a more powerful portable option, the Ninja Blast Max takes blending to the next level. This cordless personal blender features a larger 22-ounce removable vessel and offers 3 blending programs, including ice crushing. The twist-and-go design makes it easy to blend and drink without switching containers, saving time and reducing mess. Built for people who want more power without giving up portability, the Blast Max handles tougher ingredients while remaining lightweight and travel-friendly. It's dishwasher-safe, leak-proof, and designed for daily use whether at home or on the road. If you want premium performance in a portable blender, this model stands out as a serious upgrade. And finally, our most powerful and advanced pick on the list, the Ninja Blend Boss Personal Smoothie Blender and Tumbler. This blender is built for people who demand top-tier performance. With an incredible 1200 peak watt motor and Auto IQ technology, it automatically adjusts blending patterns for smooth, consistent results every time. The 26-ounce travel tumbler with leak-proof lid and integrated chug spout makes it perfect for large smoothies and meal replacements. This blender doesn't just handle ice and frozen fruits, it dominates them. Designed for heavy users, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone serious about blending, the Blend Boss delivers professional-level power in a personal blender format. If you want the best of the best, this one sets the standard. No matter what your lifestyle looks like, there's a perfect personal blender on this list for you. Whether you want compact power, simple everyday blending, cordless convenience, or professional level performance, these are the best personal blenders available right now. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and exclusive deals. Upgrade your nutrition, save time, and make every day healthier with the right blender by your side.